I went to Sephora. I will show you what I got at the end of the video. I'm going to put my eyeliner, mascara, and lipstick, and I'll be right back to show you the finished eye look. This is my look. I create a 4-color eyeshadow look with all the mattes from the BH Cosmetic Cotton Candy. This is what the colors look like. All matte. Love that little palette, but soon I have to say goodbye to it because Shop My Stash for June is almost to an end. Today we are talking from, today's motivational word is coming from the Complete Pocket Positive book, and we're in the section that says Sick Moments of Solitude. Glasses for my aging eyes. It says, solitude is as needful to the imagination as society is wholesome for the character. The quote is by James Russell Lowell. It says, solitude is as needful to the imagination as society is wholesome for the character. Again, these are the colors that I use. Now I have glasses MAC, but this is what happens in the real world. Complete matte eyeshadow look for today. My little Sephora haul. I had 2 gift cards. That's almost a year. I've been looking and looking and looking for something to buy, but could not find anything. So finally, I went to the store yesterday and I found the Fenty glasses again. I found the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's called the Snap Shadow Mix and Match palette, and this one is called 6 Smoky. And this is it. This is the smoky. This is what it looks like. And it has 6 little shadows in here. Take off the cover. These are the colors. Then I also bought this. I have nothing by Melt, so I bought this. It was hard to find a colorful eyeshadow palette, but this packaging is gorgeous. This is the packaging, and this is what it looked like. It have the cover on it. These are the colors. So this is pretty. So this is what I bought from Sephora. So that's my little haul. Planning to use it soon. This is everything. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply You Makeup is saying, go have a fantastic day. Anything that you want to do today, don't let fear stand in your way. Baby steps is what you need to get to where you need to be. Standing still means no progress. Baby steps means there is progress. I will see you in another video soon. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Yay.